Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on this device. Basically, if you want to control the music on your watch or on your phone with the watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the this icon, the media playback icon. Looks like this play button. Tap on it, and here we have the list of media playback devices, and we have phone. So basically, the app, the watch detects the phone, and we have also the watch itself. To control the music on the phone, you can simply tap on phone right here. This will open this menu, and here we can press play, pause, we can switch the tracks, we can mute or change the volume of the sound, and swipe left. We can also swipe up on the screen to see the queue, but for some reason it can't show the queue on YouTube. But basically you can control the music with your watch this way. Okay. We can also control the watch on watch, or rather the music on watch itself. So we can tap on watch, and this will open the playback menu for the watch music. And here we can tap on play to start playing the music, pause, and we can change the volume. We can switch to the next track or the previous track. I don't have any more tracks, only I have this one, but we can basically switch between the tracks. We can tap on this headphones icon to change the audio output, and we have speaker on the watch or Bluetooth audio if you have the Bluetooth device connected like speaker, headphones or earbuds. Also we can swipe up on the screen to see the queue, and we have only one song on the watch, so we see only one song. And that's how you control the music on the watch itself. You can also simply open the music app on your watch to control the music on your watch directly. So instead of opening the media playback, you can tap on this music icon to open the music app like this. Okay, and that's how you control the music on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.